Hey, what's up, Pundi X holders? So, what's the upcoming time, my friends? Tomorrow, can they hit, my friend, $2 or not? What's the next price prediction, my friend? Let's get started this brand video. Kindly, before I get started the video, I request you to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for video notification. All right, brother. If you know about the Pundi X coin to in upcoming time of Pundi X is also very badly fails down, because in the previous days they completely fails down, especially from last week, my friends. They are completely fails down. So therefore the main reasons, there are some main reason, my friends, and I will tell you, my brother, to what's the main reasons, and yeah, what's the prediction. There is a chance to upcoming time in the future they will bright and they will go up again now or not, especially this is good for a long term investor or not also. So let's get started this brand video. Kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, my brother. If you can see here, this time, my brother, last 24-hour chart on the screen, you can see here, and the price is, you can see here, $1.78 and this time, if you can see, my brother, the change occur will be in very negative, minus 2.55%. They fails down suggestion only, my brother, in the last 24-hour. Definitely this is very big fail, my friend. And if you can see here the chart reason, absolutely I draw a two line, and after that, my friend, you understand they will move upward in upcoming time or not. So you can see, my brother, every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation to after a fails, my friends, they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. You can see here, so they will completely move in this circulation exactly. If you can see, my friend, this time the current condition is going to be very positive, and as it's mean, my friends, to upcoming time they will moving upward very fastly. So this chart is completely showing, my brother, to in upcoming time they will move up. Let's check out, my friend, the proof of last 1 hour to really they are moving upward or not. Yes, absolutely, my brother. If you can see here, this time the last 1 hour chart is absolutely in the positive. You can see here, and after a fail, my friend, you can see here they take a jump. So it's mean to this is a real news, my friend, and I hope, my friends, this time Pundi X is completely go in the moon. So kindly holders, you need to hold and wait for the end of month. I hope the price will be going to double. You need to hold it and wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.